All right, welcome to another edition of Solving for X. Today we're going to be talking about what to do when you have variables on both sides of the equation. Right off the bat, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to do 10y minus 10 equals 4 minus 4y. So far we've only been dealing with variables that are on one side of the equation, either the left side or the right side. And now we're seeing them on both sides. So before we do any solving for X or SAD/MEG, we need to clean this up. And our rule is we need to bring variables to one side of the equation. Bring variables to one side of the equation. Yeah, okay. So I can either bring this negative 4y over here or this positive 10y over here. I'm going to start by bringing these y's over to the left side. So in order to do that, I'm going to use my algebraic foundation, which is trying to isolate or really balance my equation. So really, I'm trying to get rid of this negative 4y over here on the right side. So I'm going to add 4y so that these 4y's drop out. But if I add 4y to the right side, I gotta add it to the left side, which is what I wanted to do by bringing the variables to one side. Okay, so now I'm left over here on the right side. All I have is 4 because my negative 4 dropped out because I added 4. Over here, I've got 10y plus 4y. Well, we know how to add variables. All we need to do is combine the coefficient. I've got a positive 10 and a positive 10 and a positive 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. There's my new coefficient for y. And then the minus 10 drops down. So now I have 14y minus 10 equals 4. Well, I got my variables on one side now. Now all I need to use is SAD/MEG. Which tells me I need to do some adding or subtracting first. So I'm going to go after this negative 10 by adding 10. Remember, at this point, I'm trying to peel away the layers to get y all by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is that adding and subtracting to each side. And I'm going to add 10. So I'm left with 14y equals 4 plus 10 is 14. My next step here to get y all by itself is I need to divide, because right now it's saying 14 times y. Well, the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 14, divide by 14. So my 14's drop out. And I'm left with y equals, well, what's 14 divided by 14? That is 1. So y equals 1 in this situation. I can always plug this variable back into the equation and it should come out evenly. Let's actually do that. So I'm going to take 10y minus 10 equals 4 minus 4y. I'm going to plug in 1 for y and evaluate. So this 10 times 1 minus 10 equals 4 minus 4. Plugging in 1 for y. 10 times 1 is 10, minus 10 equals 4, minus 4 times 1 is 4. 10 minus 10 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. Boom. That checks out. We know for sure that y equals 1. Cool.